Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Megan with Just the Pool People, and today we are going to be walking you through replacing our old pool pump and motor with a new 2 horsepower variable speed pump provided to us by our friends over at AQUASTRONG. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to prep your above ground Intex pool for your new pool pump and motor. We're going to show you how to remove your old pool pump and motor and how to install your new pool pump and motor from AQUASTRONG. So let's get to it. In this first part, we're going to show you how to prep your Intex above ground pool. So what you're going to need is a gizmo and winterization plugs. We need 4 because we have 4 returns. So what we're going to do in this first part is we're going to turn the power off to our pool. Once the power is off to the pool, you're going to install your gizmo into your skimmer to plug your skimmer line. You're going to remove the basket, and you're just going to screw in the gizmo. Next, we're going to install our winterization plugs in our returns. First, I'm going to go in and remove the jet head off of the return. Once I've screwed out the jet head, I'm going to install the winterization plug. I'm going to repeat the same steps for our other 3 returns. The reason that we plugged our returns and skimmer is because our water is above our pump. Had we taken our pump off without plugging those things, all of the water would have backflowed through our returns and our skimmers, and water would have just poured out. All right, so now that our skimmer is plugged and our returns are plugged, we are going to move on to removing our pump. The first step we're going to do is undo the electrical. Our current pump is a 120 volt, so it was wired to just be a plug-in, so we just have to unplug that, and then we just need to remove this union and that union, and we are able to remove this old pump. All right, so now that this is disconnected, I'm just gonna move it out of the way, and we're gonna get our new pump, and we're gonna put it in place and see what we have to do plumbing-wise to get it to match up. This is our 2 horsepower pump that was provided to us by our friends over at AQUASTRONG that we're getting ready to install. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So these are all the parts that come in your AQUASTRONG pump box. Looks like there's a cover for the motor. A really heavy duty lid for the seal. And the pump itself. Right out of the box, it looks like a very well-made pump. Everything is very thick plastic, as you can see. We've got our fittings, a grounding wire, tape, plumbing tape, another fitting for connecting it, and it looks like some wire connectors. Comes with some instructions. And more fittings for your unions. It's a nice, very large pump basket. Very heavy duty. Has a cover for your pump. Yeah, this seems like a very nice system. We're super excited about installing it, so we're gonna go out there and get this installed. For this next part, I'm gonna hand it over to my husband, who is gonna handle the plumbing side of putting this together.
So after putting it in place, it lined up pretty good with the outlet. So what we're gonna do is, because we've already got two couplings here, we're gonna cut it above that, put another coupling and a shot of pipe that's gonna come straight down into this. We've already got a coupling here, so we're gonna cut behind that, put a coupling and a straight shot pipe into this. This has got some flexibility, so this will work. So we don't have to re-angle any pipe, we just gotta add pipe to it to get it hooked up. That's what I'm gonna do now. .16 exact. The AQUASTRONG comes with two different connections for plumbing. We're going to use the 2-inch because we've got 2-inch plumbing, but you should use the one that you've got where that's going to work best for you. Something important to mention is you always want to put the nut for the union on to your pipe before attaching this piece, because you can't put it on after. Check our line up. Oh my God. He good. That boy good. Now we're just gonna hold this in place for a second, make sure we got the right location for this one so we can get our measurement here. We're gonna do the same thing. Again, make sure you put your nut on first, so when you pipe it all in, it can come on and over. Make sure to install your seals. Now that we connect the water side, we're going to move on to the electrical. If this is something you're not comfortable with, you should always hire an electrician to come and take care of this part for you, because this can be dangerous.
Now that our plumbing and our electrical are connected, we are ready to start the pump up. So we need to go back through and remove our winterization plugs out of the skimmer and the returns.
So we're going to go through all the settings. We're going to hit menu, and first one is time. I've already set our current time, so then we're going to hit escape to get out of that. Speeds, you want speed 1. We want a little booster speed, so on this one I'm going to take it to 3,500 and then escape. Speed 2 is what I want normal operation to be at, so we're going to probably take that to 2,800 through the day. And these aren't final, we just want to see how these work for us, and we can always change them later. Speed 3 is going to be overnight. So you hit enter to select, you flip over to the ones you want, and this one we're going to run at 1,800 RPMs. and then escape. And that's how you set those. We're not going to do a speed 4. You hit escape to get out of that, and then we're going to go to our schedule. So schedule 1, we're going to do time on at 6 a.m. So enter, over. We're going to change that to 6, and we're going to change that to 0. Enter, escape. Time off, it's going to be 7 o'clock. I started that at 6.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do that until 7. So over, we're going to go 7. And escape. And then function, enter, enable, enter, escape. Now that's our first one is set. We're going to go to setting 2. Our time on is going to be at 7, where the last one ended. Escape. Time off. This one will run till, let's say, 9 o'clock. And then we want function, enter, enable, enter, escape. Now that's our second one. And then overnight, nine o'clock. And we messed up this time. And now they're all set.
All right, so we've got our pump installed and it's running. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet. It's currently running on about 2,000 RPMs. And we are super excited about this pump and being able to save a little bit of energy, be a little bit more efficient with our electric bill. Overall, it was a pretty simple install. The directions are pretty straightforward. And if you need any help, you can always reach out to the support at AQUASTRONG. But overall, we're super excited and we're very happy about this pump. And we just want to thank our friends again at AQUASTRONG for sending us this pump. Everything that we used in this video, we will link below to help you out. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Wait, is it this way? Or is it this way? This way. Yeah. Ew.
Hold that for me. Oh no, yeah, this way.
Oh no, he set me up for failure. Art of pump. Did you see that bug try to get? We're just out here cooking steaks after we installed our pool pump over there. And I just want to show you how quiet it is. All you can hear is the sizzling from the food, but the pool pump is so quiet. I mean, you really can't hear anything. There's a tractor running in the background, but so peaceful.